Since Russia ordered thousands of non-armored Desertcross vehicles from China, we see a constant flow of these vehicles being destroyed now. Not used as transportation vehicles far behind defensive lines, but delivering troops to the front and used as charging vehicles, leaving Russian troops highly vulnerable, resulting in more casualties, making them perfect targets for Ukraine's drone army, which can easily destroy the equipment, with the more nimble drones being able to strike the system almost anywhere for the warhead to cause enough damage to destroy it, often resulting in the system burning down, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.